Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to join Roblox Bedwars Discord server. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is to download the Roblox application and then create your account. Now you'll be able to see this plus icon at the left side of your screen and then just click on it and then select the join a server. Okay, and then here you will be able to type out a specific server. So make sure to copy what I am going to type out here. Okay, so it is very important, so you'll be able to join the server. Okay, so just type out discord.gg slash capital Z, small letter R, X, G, and then capital X, 9, capital Q, capital B, small letter V, and then capital H. So right after that, just click on the join a server. Okay, and then just wait for a few seconds. And here it says that the verification is currently unavailable because it's under maintenance. So all you have to do now is to wait for the verification process since it's under maintenance. But as you can see, this is now the server that we wanted to join. Okay, so that's it. Just make sure that you have typed out the name of the server correctly. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.